Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of mathematics. So today we will take some question, try to solve some question based upon mensuration. And mensuration is area where we deal with the area and volume of two-dimensional objects and three-dimensional objects. For the two-dimensional objects, we consider the area. For the three-dimensional objects like solid, sphere, cone, cylinder, we will consider the volume. Okay, because it's a three-dimensional object, and for a three-dimensional object, we always find out the volume of that particular geometrical shape. Okay, so mensuration is very important topic, and this is used in our day-to-day life and future engineering and designing part going forward. We'll learn how to go and do this and use this mensuration mathematical formulas to calculate the and in the designing of some day-to-day work and in the regular outside world. Okay. So let us solve this question where the weight of 1 centimeter thick metallic pipe need to be identified when inner diameter is 12 centimeter, length of the given pipe equal to 1 meter. So students, here we are just taking here the yellow. The yellow is the metal. It's a metal which is used in making this pipe. Okay, this pipe is hollow from inside. The red circle you can see inside. This is the inner hollow portion which is just extended from top to bottom. Hope you have seen the pipe in your day-to-day life. It's a plate which is it's a rectangular plate which is folded in a cyclic order in a circular pattern so that it becomes a pipe, so that something can pass through it, and it is having some thickness. So that thickness is coming from that metal which is used to make that pipe. Okay, so this metal is marked in yellow color, and here the radius. The outer radius we will say it as R, capital R, and inner radius we'll say it as small r. Okay, one more thing which we need to identify, which we need to mark over here is the height. Height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder, as per the given question, is where we need to identify the weight. Is the height is here you can see length of the pipe equal to 1 meter. Okay, so 1 meter means you can see it's the h equal to 1 meter, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Why we have taken 100 centimeter, students? I will tell you. Here weight density is given in centimeter. Weight of 1 centimeter of pipe need to be identified, and when inner diameter is also given in centimeter, so this will be length of the pipe will be is in meter, which we will convert into centimeter. It's 100 centimeter. Now we know that volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. This is a general formula, students, which you need to just remember. Pi square h. H is the height, r is radius, and pi is the value 22 by 7 or 3.14. So here is a pipe. Okay, so for a pipe, what we will do, we'll find out the volume when the volume of the outer cylinder, that means the volume of the cylinder with the capital R as a measurement, is from that we subtract the volume of hollow part, which is a cylinder with a small radius r, this one. Okay, this one. So what we'll do, that volume of pipe lies volume of pipe, this will be equal to volume of outer cylinder with radius r minus, this is minus volume of inner cylinder. Okay, so inner cylinder will be crossing like this, students. Okay, this one sorry. So inner cylinder will be crossing like this. Okay, will be crossing like this. Okay, so this is a hollow part. What is this? Is a hollow part. This is a hollow part. Hollow. So this is extended till this point, and here it's closed like this. Okay, so volume of outer cylinder. What is the volume of outer cylinder? You tell me. Volume of outer cylinder is pi r square h, and inner cylinder will be pi r square h. R is smaller here for the inner cylinder. Okay, so we put up the value over here, h. So we'll calculate it as volume as pi into h will be common, and r square minus small r square, and here pi into h is 100 centimeter into r square. R is the outer radius. What is that? Outer radius, that means here this outer radius is equal to, the inner diameter is given as 12. Okay, so the inner diameter is given as 12. So what we'll do for the inner diameter, what we'll do here, yeah, r equal to 12 centimeter divided by 2 equal to 6. Inner diameter, small r, equal to 6 centimeter. Because radius is half of diameter. Okay, now outer diameter will be 1 centimeter of metal thickness will be added. So capital R will be r plus 1. Okay, capital R will be r plus 1, and r plus 1, what is that? R plus 1 is 6 plus 1, yeah, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Capital R equal to 7 centimeter. So we will take here capital R, we'll just write over here also that capital R is 7 centimeter. So where we will write it here. So it will be 7 square minus small r. Small r is 6. So this will be 6. So whatever be the value, we'll calculate it. 49 minus 36, that will be 13. So this will be equal to 1300 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of pipe of length 100 centimeter. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our answer for the volume. Okay, so this is the answer for the volume. But we need to identify the weight. Okay, so how we'll find the weight? Let us find out. Mass per unit volume is density, and here density is given 7.8 gram per cubic centimeter. So what we will do? Let us see. You know that mass per unit volume is density. Mass by volume is density. Mass and weight are same here. So mass will be equal to density into volume. Okay, so what is the density? We'll take from here. Density is 7.8 gram per cubic centimeter. This one. Okay, so this value will put up over here. Okay, so when putting up the value, we'll get 7.8 gram per centimeter cube into volume. What is volume? Volume is here. From here we will take the volume. Okay, the volume is here 1300 pi into 1300 pi. What will be the value? This will be coming as 7.8 into 1300. That is 78 into 130. 10 will be cancelled out over here due to this decimal. Okay, due to this decimal. Okay. Now this will be and centimeter cube is the and this cm³ and cm³ will be cancelled out because the volume, the unit of volume is in centimeter cube and density is gram per centimeter cube. So the gram centimeter cube is the denominator of density will cancel out the centimeter cube of volume. So when we multiply, we get 130 into 78 gram. And what is that? 130 into 78. 130 into 78. 8 4 1040 10. So this will be coming as 40 So this will be coming as 10140 10,140. So the weight will be 10,140 gram, and when it will be divided by 1000, this will be kg. Okay, so this will be 10.14 kg is the mass, pipe mass. Okay, so students, here we have solved this question, and what we have did, we just identified that what is the weight of pipe we have calculated is 10.14 kg. Okay, it's 10.14 kg. This is the answer which we are having for this pipe, and we have able to solve this. So how to solve this question, students? I hope you are getting it, and we'll try to come up with some more questions like this in going forward, and let us see how such questions are solved, and we will try to come up with more questions, and keep on learning. Happy learning. Bye bye, and subscribe to my channel.